Ladies and gentlemen, Atticus Smith.
Lifetime achievement. I'm not old enough.
You've just turned 70.
Thank you for telling everybody.
Have you reached the level that you hoped that you could reach?
My favorite child is getting married 10 days. Annabelle, my little girl.
You shouldn't have favorites. Were you doing coke in the bathroom?
That's preposterous. Every parent has favorites.
You all right? Are you okay? Ow.
You've had a heart attack.
Can't change the date, Dad. Mom's already paid for everything.
You cannot fly.
Adam's gonna have to drive you.
What? No. Are you out of your mind?
The only way that you're going to be able to come to this wedding is if Adam brings you. Get over yourselves and get him to New York.
There's no drinking, there's no smoking, there's no fried food, there's no sugar.
No sugar.
Atticus does not have much family. Take care of him, because I don't know how much time you have left.
I've got 5 nights before we get to the wedding. This is like the last flight of the shuttle before they retire it.
Come on. We're wasting daylight. I haven't lived in these cramped conditions since I was in the army.
You were never in the army.
Oh, well, I've made so many army films. I might as well have been.
Why did you cheat on Mom?
Why did you have to go and tell her?
He's drinking like a madman.
Just get me another bottle.
The only thing you have to do
Is make sure he gets there clean, sober, and alive.
What goes on set stays on set. You married a damn fine, beautiful woman.
Ain't that the truth? How do you know each other?
We were lovers.
I don't know how to change a tire.
I'm an actor. I don't know anything. How come you can't change a tire? You're not even famous.
Because I didn't have a father to teach me.
Oh, boo-hoo. God, your generation. You're so squishy.
Why are we in jail?
Because you killed a guy.
You talk too much.
You sit down before I stick you with the shiva snuck up in my ass.
I bet you voted for Ronald Reagan.
I did not. He's a terrible actor.